What's up? What up, guys? Trouble here, and also the reason why I have not kept up with any of the schedule things for uploading is because of one thing. I want to give you guys quality content. So, for those who have been actually giving me suggestions in the comments, those require other people, and people really don't like my burps. Actually, they're severely disgusted by them. But for those who like said who burp in a cup, I'll do that. But I won't. The video won't be as long as normal because I have seasonal allergies and those kind of weaken me. So I won't be. I'm barely able to breathe at this point. So give you some air in a cup is kind of hard. That's weird. Okay, so let's start this off. I'm gonna try to actually breathe in now. Okay. Oh, that's so weak. Again, I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, I have seasonal allergies, and it's really hard to do things right now. I'll try to give you one last strong one because I think I can do this much longer. Okay, here we go. I said a strong one. No matter if it makes me suffer or not, I will give you guys what you asked for. Okay, this will be hard. Okay, I'm liking you right now, guys. So it's Triple Trouble coming at you from the sky. Goodbye. Also, one last thing. For those who asked how am I, I'm doing good. And those who asked me if I have Instagram or Snapchat, I only have Messenger and Discord. Thank you, and bye-bye.